Right, good morning everyone. Right now I'm going to show you how to do these three. The red velvet bow, they're easy to do, but they look gorgeous. The red ribboned organza butterfly, and then the leaf. And I love these leaves, they're a lot different to what you normally see, but come Christmas they're perfect for your dining table and you make them yourself. Right, what I'm going to do is just to seal those off because it is on a string, you see. And we don't want that showing. So that's that. That's for the butterfly. We'll make the butterfly first. All I did, this is gorgeous and it is for sale, this. Take, we won't have butterfly about that. I'll measure this and let you know how much I'm using. So this measures 7 inches. And we just need, well, we don't need to straighten it off, I think it's okay. Seal it off. And that end. And then what you do is pop that to the middle, pop that over. And just catch it on the end, do a tacking stitch. Run that right across. I overlap them by a centimetre and leave that like that. Now if that measured 7, then we need a 6. 7 inch for the top, 6 inch for the bottom section. Right, and we do the same again, but continue to stitch that on there like that. And then we pull the whole thing together. Now I just wind mine around both and then I can play around with it later. I'm just going to stitch that. See, and you've got an instant butterfly. Just want to make sure that that section, we can pull it out a little bit, is what we need and the right size. Right, just trim that. Now this is where you need to just, see, pull it where you need it. I've done that slightly bigger. I think I did that 7 and 5 to be honest, but it doesn't matter, they can look like that anyway. Then what I'm going to do is to pop on the antennae. So we can just pop that on the top. And then we pop on, when I can get some more glue, the body section. Now what I can do is just open that up a little bit. Like that. That's all you need to do. And you're done. And then you can put a little patch on the back. And you're all set to go. So that's your butterfly. Now we'll do the bow. And I'm using silk thread. Now you can get it off the internet. And please, please, don't anybody else advertise for anybody else on this channel. Because the only one that advertises for anyone is me. But I keep having to delete comments because they're advertising for other people. I sell, and it's not right that somebody else comes along and tells others where to go shop. Because, you know, I'm giving out free videos for you to be able to craft using the stuff I sell in my shop. And you really shouldn't be coming on and telling other people where to buy stuff from when I have a shop of my own. That's not fair when you're getting a free video. It's the least people can do is to, you know, either pass my shop around, because that's where you've seen me using the things. Or, you know, it's just not fair. It's not a done thing. Right, I'm just going to take this ribbon measures the bow 3.5 inches wide, so I'm going to need 7 inches, and then we're going to need about 4 inches for the bottom section. So to do the bottom section, we just cut the wire off because it is a wired ribbon. We don't need that. I'm going to cut this down the middle. I only have the broad ribbon, and then we cross that over like that, so you get that shape. Trim that across the top. Take the strip and just cut it into a V. There we go. And you get that. So you're ready to go. And then all you have to do then is to do the bow itself. We take a piece of the ribbon, just cutting a section off, like that. It is really good quality. Now you can add this, you know, to a pin or something if you want. Sorry, let me just sort out my glue. Flip that over. I'm using the same, these were a pair of earrings. So I'm going to use them like this because it reminds me of an old vintage bow. You know, the sort that have in the Victorian time. So I'm going to call that my Victorian velvet bow. Okay, and there you go. That's how they're done. And they really are pretty. And then now what I'm going to show you is how to do this. And I like it. It's a Victorian, kind of Victorian leaf. Now, what you need, I'm going to measure this for you. So we've got an 8-inch strip. You have to cut off the pin. We don't need the wire, sorry. And like I say, don't waste the wire that's inside that, because it comes in handy. And then what you do is you fold that down like that, and then you sew from there to there, or whichever way around you want to do it. Like that, and then you open up your leaf like that. Now, they depend what size. I've cut mine down, that's what I did. I was looking and thinking it's a bit wide, but you can have them that wide anyway, it doesn't matter. But I did cut mine down. There we go. See? But what I did with mine is I took some red cord just to make it different. I'm just making sure I've got the right glue on because I don't want to spoil it. Just pop that on, cut it, and then take your glue. You have to be careful, that's why you need a precision tip. And you put your cord, you don't have to do it all the way down, just every now and again. Or you can do it. Let's just pop that on there. Pop on your cord. And it just gives you a whole new look to a leaf. Like that. See? And then if you've got a little bit on like I did there, you can just burn off the glue. And pop that onto there. Leaving yourself a stem if you wish. You might want to put that onto something. And that's how they're done. Yeah, I could shape that a little bit more, but actually I'm going to leave as is, because I use leaves in all different ways. But that's how they're done. I hope that's helpful. So, we have... In fact, to be honest, I'm going to put this as a set. It'll go on the shop as a set. So somebody might be able to use them somewhere. Valentines, you remember Valentines? You know, you might be able to use them. So they will be sold as a set on the shop. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.